Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your accounts with Bank of America easy tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your accounts with Bank of America, start by visiting the official website. Log into your online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Security Center section. Here, you will find various security options to enhance your account protection. First, enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. You can choose to receive a code via text message or email for each login attempt. Next, review your account activity regularly to spot any unauthorized transactions. Set up account alerts to notify you of any suspicious activities or transactions. To do this, go to Accounts and select Alerts from the drop-down menu. Choose the types of alerts you wish to receive, such as withdrawals or balance changes. Make sure to keep your contact information updated for accurate notifications. Next, use strong passwords that combine letters, numbers, and special characters. Consider using a password manager to generate and store secure passwords. Avoid using the same password across multiple accounts to reduce risks. Regularly update your password, ideally every 3 to 6 months. If you suspect any suspicious activity, report it immediately by contacting Bank of America. They have a dedicated security team available to assist you. Lastly, stay informed about the latest security tips and scams. Bank of America provides resources to help you recognize potential threats. Following these steps will significantly boost the security of your accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.